In this video, we will learn how to fix bad posture in Photoshop. First, we will know the basics using this photo. Then we will do a real life example. If you want to download these photos and follow along, then check the links in the description. The first step is to select the subject. I'll quickly select it, but if you want a precise selection, then you can use the pen tool. Select any selection tool and from the top, click Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically select it. Now click Select and Mask. Here we will refine the hair. With the Refine Edge Brush tool, just paint on the edge of the hair. Photoshop will fix the edges. From the bottom right corner, select Output to New Layer with Layer Mask. Now hit OK. We can see the subject is now separated from the white background. But I'll still place a white solid in the background, just not to see the transparent background. But you can ask, why select the subject if we place a background? Let me show you why. We're gonna use the puppet verb to fix the posture. If I apply the puppet verb with the background, then the puppet verb will consider everything. We cannot work with that. That's why separating the subject from the background is a must. Okay, before we start fixing the posture, we need to convert it into a smart object, so we have the ability to modify any effect later. Now go to Edit and select Puppet Verb. This is how Puppet Verb works. If you click, then it will place a point or pin and you can move it. If you place 2 points, then you can move 1 point and the other point will remain there. This is how we can control which areas need to be moved and which areas need to be remain still. Now I will place some points in the body where it needs to be fixed. You can place a good posture photo here and try to match it. Here the neck and the head are falling towards. To select these points, hold Shift and you can select multiple points. Now make it straight. Also the hip areas need to be moved to the left. The belly doesn't look right. We'll fix that in the next step. One more thing, if you select a point and hold Alt or Option, then you can rotate from that point. Keep adjusting it, but do not distort the face, so be extra careful about the face. When you are done, click the tick mark at the top. In the next step, we'll make the body fit. This step isn't always necessary, but this might come in handy in some cases. The stomach, hip, and the shoulder need some touches. I'll fix them now. Go to Filter and select Liquify. With the Forward Wrap tool, slowly nudge the shoulder to the left a bit. Also the stomach needs to be pushed inward. While doing this, do not get greedy, just make it natural unless you want her to be a super fitness model. You can freeze some areas that you don't want to change at all. Select the Freeze Mask tool. Suppose I want the hand to remain still. Now if I paint with the Freeze Mask tool, these red areas will be fixed. Even if I paint with the Forward Wrap tool, those red areas will remain still. Okay, now keep using the Forward Wrap tool. Something like this will do. Hit OK once you are done. Let's see the before and after. Since we converted it into a smart object before applying these effects, so now if we need to change anything, we can do that. Just double click on the puppet verb and from here we can modify it. Same thing for Liquify. Double click on Liquify and here we can modify it. Okay, now we know how to fix the posture. Let's do a real life example. In this photo, these two girls don't stand straight. Let's fix it. I'll quickly select it to save some time. Select the Object Selection tool and select the person on the right. For some reason, Photoshop didn't select the hair. Hold Shift and click on the head. We can modify the hair from Select and Mask, but for this one, let's just quickly mask it. Copy the layer and now click on the mask icon. Like before, convert it into a smart object. Now go to Edit and select Puppet Verb. Here I need to make the back straight. In the last example, we need to do a lot of adjustments, but in most cases, we just need to do some subtle changes. Now one new problem arises. We can see the original position. No worries, we can easily fix that. Create a new layer just below the layer where we applied the puppet verb. Now select the Clone Stem tool. Hold Alt or Option to take a sample from a nearby area and paint to remove the original position. We are just cloning the background to remove the original person. If you paint extra, then create a mask. Now with the brush tool, paint with black to hide any extra areas. I'm doing a quick job here just to show you how it's done. Similarly, you can fix the posture of this person. So this is how you can fix bad posture in Adobe Photoshop. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.